Hello my friend, and welcome back to my home and a new working mom clean with me. We are kind of getting it all done today, tackling the mess in the whole house. I had to go to the grocery store and there was a lot of tidying up to do as I had to get ready for my youngest daughter's birthday dinner. We're going to quickly finish making the beds here and then we're going to move downstairs onto the main floor and start cleaning in the kitchen. I did film this on 2 different days. One was on my daughter's actual birthday, so it was a crazy day. You're gonna see how I sprinkle cleaning into my everyday life as a busy working mom, as truthfully, I don't wanna spend every waking moment cleaning my house, but I do thrive in a neat and tidy space. On top of trying to get the house in order for her birthday dinner, I also had to hurry my butt up as I had to work for a few hours this morning cleaning for a client too. Birthday tradition is waffles in the morning, so you can see the waffle maker there, and yeah, there was just a lot going on. I always say the first 2 weeks of June, we are definitely surviving, not thriving. And with that being said, let me know in the comments, are you up and cleaning along with me today, or are you sitting down and relaxing? I know by the end of this video, you're going to be inspired to get up and tackle your mess along with me, and stay tuned as I am sharing some extreme decluttering tips.
I got my problems. Lately I've been fading out, holding out, waiting just for somebody to love and to surround me and to handle my emotions.
Before I leave to work in the morning, one of my goals is to have the kitchen mess cleaned up from the chaos of the morning, from breakfast, getting the girls' lunches packed, and sending them off to school. I've said this before, but I cannot function when our space is totally trashed. Like, I need to clean the kitchen before I start making a mess. It's kind of funny. And the mess really does affect me when I come home and all I see is clutter and stuff everywhere. So having this morning cleaning routine in place helps me to not get to that state. Additionally, now that we've decluttered and simplified, it is a lot easier in this busy season of life to manage our home. If for some reason I'm behind on work and editing and I need to catch up instead of cleaning the kitchen before I do head off to work, it's not as stressful coming home. Knowing it's simple and easy to clean, it doesn't take a lot of time. So again, stick around. Those decluttering tips are coming and they're real good.
It's all been a waste of time. I was out driving every mile, and now if I rewind, it's all been a waste of time. It's all been a waste of time. You waste my time. It's all been a waste of time. I didn't call you off for another. I didn't cross the line for the bottle. Take me back. Take me back. I know I messed it up like your father. You know you shouldn't care, but you bother. Take me back. Take me back. Don't leave me back, 'cause now I see it clear. Don't leave me, all I want is to be here. Don't go, 'cause all I need is right here. With you, it feels like everything is so real.
Okay, I'm not gonna share like a full haul, but I wanted to share, I found some sourdough bread at our grocery store, and seeing as I cannot seem to master gluten-free sourdough, this one's not gluten-free, so I will not be able to eat it, but my kids will until I can master gluten-free sourdough. So if you have a recipe, gluten-free sourdough, let me know, please. Help a girl out. So again, not a full grocery haul by any means. We just have like some meat, some fruits and veggies for the girls' birthday party this weekend. So I'm just gonna do a veggie tray And then I'm gonna do watermelon, which you guys saw, I almost fell out of the bag. I got this gluten-free sourdough bread, which I was really excited about. These I'm excited about too. They are frozen, but they are just from a local farmer, and they are gourmet stuffed potatoes. And so I'm thinking of having these for dinner, probably tomorrow night, maybe even tonight with steak. It's actually my youngest daughter's birthday today, the day that I'm filming this. And then I got this bruschetta cauliflower flatbread for a really low calorie, low carb lunch for myself, as I need to get back on my like no sugar and really low carb diet. I feel so much better when I'm following it. Just with birthday week, I've gotten off track, and that's okay. Give yourself some grace. This bacon is so good, the maple flavor. And then last thing I want to show you guys was the icing. Go to your local grocery store and ask them if they will sell you their icing. Turns out they probably will, and it takes so much stress off of my plate. I did all of the baking, cupcakes are done, but I just don't have time right now to make the icing and stuff. And so for their birthday party last weekend, I did this, and I thought, you know what, I'm doing it again for this week and calling her a day. So then in there, I got like some other stuff, but again, I'm not gonna share a full haul. I did get these Smart Sweets. So I ordered a 10-pack off of, actually my husband did for the girls' birthday. He ordered a 10-pack off of Natura Market. It is a little bit cheaper, but we were short 4 of them for the birthday party. This is what we are giving away as like the part of the thank you for coming. So I had to get 4 more from the store as they won't be here in time for their party. I got some gluten-free bread, some made good bars, and then they didn't have like the free from organic eggs, so these are gonna have to do for now. Okay, I gotta turn some music on to like keep me going right now. 5 hours later, we're home, able to put these groceries away, and then I have to wrap presents for my daughter's birthday party tonight. So let's go ahead and get it done. So before we move any further into the video, I wanted to share some Father's Day gift ideas. I have posted 3 different guides over on my LTK. If you're not following me over there, I will leave the link down below. If you want to shop anything, it's probably on there. But I wanted to share some Father's Day gift ideas that I own, as I was filming a reel for it, and I was like, you know what, I may as well share this to YouTube as well. So let's get into it. So the first gift idea is this Yeti personalized cup. We love these. We take these camping all the time, and we take these when we go get our Christmas tree in the winter time. I really like the lid on this one because it has the sippy cup, and so this is a great option. All of us have one, so we actually have 4 of these, and they are all personalized, as you can see. Next up is this JBL speaker. This is a Bluetooth speaker, so it just connects to your phone. It is actually super loud, and my husband takes it everywhere with him. Think of it as like your Simple Modern cup or your Stanley cup for men. Seriously, it's amazing. It is available in different sizes depending how loud you want it, but we are really happy with the one that we got. All right, 2 more Yeti products that we absolutely love. We have the hard cooler as well as the thermos. So the cooler unlatches, and it is so big. There's different sizes that you can get. This is the, I think the 12. I'll link the exact one that we have down below. I love the navy color. And then we have this one. Can you guys tell we really like the Yeti brand? So this thermos keeps things hot, seriously, all day. Another product that we use a lot in the winter time, there's also the spout. So you can keep things warm and just pour it right out of there. And then of course, the entire lid comes off as well. Another product we love is this one. We use this every single day, and I steal it from my husband all the time. I love that it has the handle. This is like our travel mug that we use for coffee. It doesn't give it a weird stainless steel taste that some other brands do. I freaking love this cup, and I'm probably gonna buy one for myself actually. So this is a really great gift option for him. You can see my coffee in there from this morning. Yeah, we love it. I will have all of these and my gift guides down below. If you are interested, go ahead and check it out. I also wanted to share one more product with you that I can't physically share with you and show you today because my husband's wearing them right now. He wears these all the time. I bought them for us. We both have a pair for our trip to Mexico, and they have become a staple that we wear all the time. They're not like the most aesthetic thing, I'm not gonna lie, but the pillow slide shoes are freaking incredible. I have them in white and he has them in black. Super affordable, waterproof, great for the beach, great for the pool, great for like walking long distances, as they are super like squishy, but also supportive. I will leave those linked down below. I shared these over on Instagram, but I did also get these 2 coffee table books that I cannot wait to style. So I got the Call It Home from Amber Lewis, and then The Art of Home by Shay McGee. I bought them when they were on sale. I don't know if they are still gonna be on sale when this video goes live. That's why it's important to follow me over on Instagram as well as on Like to Know It, because you will see these when they are on sale. Like, my whole goal is to find the sales for you so that you don't have to. And then here is The Art of Home. I have dove into this one ever so slightly and I love it. Like, it's beautiful. So I will leave these 2 books linked down below as well.
That maybe he ain't worth it. Too bad I hate advice, 'cause out of sight and out of mind is perfect. It's so hard to decide. Oh, I know he got me good in his pocket. I know that I'm just a treat. Well, the taste is better.
I think one of the places you can declutter with a big impact is here in the kitchen. After a quick tidy, I'm able to get right into cleaning the house here on day 2, because the truth of the matter is everyone's house will get dirty, especially with other people living in it. There will always be laundry to do, dishes that need to be cleaned and put away, beds to be made, and so on and so forth. When you declutter and simplify your home with less items to manage, those cleaning and tidying tasks become not only easier, but also faster. And decluttering the kitchen doesn't have to be difficult, so let's dive into how I did that, kind of the method I use for decluttering our whole house, and some cleaning and decluttering tips. So you might want to take some notes on this, as it is jam-packed of information. Number 1 is to start small. Divide whatever room you're doing into sections and areas and just start small. If you are very overwhelmed, starting small can look like tackling 1 drawer at a time. You don't want to go totally crazy and take absolutely everything out of your whole kitchen. Take a step back and think, what the hell did I just get myself into? So start small, 1 drawer or 1 cabinet, and build from there. The more you declutter, the easier it gets as you expand your decluttering muscles. Starting small also prevents you from feeling overwhelmed and keeps the process manageable. Number 2 is to empty it out. So empty out that single cabinet or drawer. When you can see absolutely everything that you have, it can open your eyes and help you to assess what you truly need versus what is just taking up space. For example, you might be surprised to find out that you have 5 spatulas, or you'll find something that you've been looking for months. This method provides that clean slate and is important for a thorough decluttering session. And lastly, number 3, sort as you're emptying. This helps to streamline the process, making it more efficient and effective, and the less you touch something, the better. It prevents the mess from spreading from one area to another and ensures that each item is dealt with immediately. The categories that I like to sort into are keep, donate, and trash. Try to make quick decisions about each item to help maintain that momentum. And if you truly cannot, for the life of you, decide and the item is just too difficult, place it in an unsure pile and just revisit it later. By following those 3 simple steps, you get to experience quick wins, which can further motivate you to keep going, reduce the feeling of overwhelm, promote intention and mindfulness, and create lasting change. So give this video a thumbs up if you found that information valuable. Leave me a comment. What is one area of your home that you've been avoiding that you need to tackle, whether it's a deep clean or a declutter? And feel free to rewind this and start over if you really need to soak that in. It's been a while since I've shared decluttering and simple home tips here on YouTube, so if you enjoyed those, again, please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps me to know that you are enjoying this content, as well as it tells YouTube to push this video out to more people like you. With that being said, I'd love to know where you are at in your simple home journey and, you know, just your decluttering journey in general. Are you A, brand new and have no idea where to start? Are you B, decluttered a little bit but needed some more motivation? Or are you C, ruthlessly decluttered and now just maintaining your home? That's the thing about decluttering. It's not a one and done thing. It is a constant, especially if you're not intentional about what you continue to allow into your home. I think it's important to try to find the harmony within your own home. And now that we've been living in our decluttered home for 1.5 years and we've been in our new old house for 9 months now, we're starting to not only add more function, but also more decor. My goal is pretty impractical, affordable finds. So follow along for all things home motivation. And if you're not yet subscribed, girl, what are you waiting for? If you need more motivation, check out the video here on the screen. Until next time, bye.